So today I'm going to show you how to use HubSpot Workflows to unlock automations that practically print money for your business. But before we get into the step-by-step, let me show you something wild. Have you ever spent hours chasing follow-ups, updating pipelines, or reminding your team just to send that one email? Well, HubSpot has a workflow trick that wipes out all that manual work almost instantly. We'll get to the full workflow setup in just a minute. Imagine this. A lead downloads your free guide, and without you lifting a finger, first, they get a perfectly timed welcome email. Second, a task is created for your sales rep. Third, their lifecycle stage updates. And lastly, if they don't reply within 2 days, HubSpot automatically sends follow-up with a personalized nudge. This is the exact automation I'm going to show you today. So before we build that hands-free money machine, here's the first thing you need to know. HubSpot workflows aren't just email sequences. They are behavior-based systems. You can trigger actions when a contact views a pricing page, a deal hits a new stage, someone books a meeting, or even when a sales rep forgets to follow up. This is where the magic starts. Alright, workflow everyone should build in 2025. First, start with the deal or contact enrollment trigger. I like using form submissions or page views because they show clear buying intent. Second, add a branching logic step. This is where automation starts making money. HubSpot sends different actions depending on what the lead actually does. Third, layer your automations. Emails, tasks, property updates, reminders. This is where your pipeline becomes fully self-running. Once this workflow is active, here's what happens. Your CRM updates itself, your emails sends themselves, your pipeline moves itself, and your sales reps only focus on leads who are ready to talk. That's why people call these workflows money printers. Because once they're built, they work 24/7. No human effort required. Now, that you've seen the power of HubSpot workflows, wait until you see it transforms your results. And just like that, your business just became automated.